Good morning. My name is Stephanie, and I was a barista at Starbucks for 3 years. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a caramel macchiato the same way we do at Starbucks. But while I'm doing that, I'm also going to tell you the reasons why you should be extra proud of yourself, especially this year. It's no secret that 2020 is a rough year for plenty of reasons. It's also a good year too. Every year has some good in it. This year, I launched my small business, Stefania. I bought a car. I made new friends. With that, I almost totaled that new car when a deer jumped out into the middle of the highway during rush hour. I lost some friendships. I had a death in the family. The list goes on. With every good comes bad, but that's how you know your universe is at balance. I want you to think about all of your good moments this year, even if you feel like there's just a few. For a moment, I want you to disregard every bad moment you had and just focus on those good moments. I'm sure that makes you feel happy thinking about those good moments, right? So why don't you do that every day? I feel like as a whole, we always tend to focus and dwell on all of the bad moments, when in reality, the good moments outweigh them. We're almost programmed to do that. It's a vicious cycle that always repeats itself. Even if you feel there aren't good moments in your day, I believe at the very minimum, you should pat yourself on the back for even getting out of bed, for eating, showering. Yeah, these are very basic things we're so used to, but it's us taking care of ourselves, which can sometimes become hard when we're stuck in that vicious cycle I mentioned earlier. I guess what I'm getting at here is, regardless of the moments you experience every day, you should be proud of yourself for even being present to experience those moments. You got out of bed. You faced it, even if you feel like you didn't. It's noble of you, courageous, brave. Let's be honest, us humans have no idea what we're doing. All of us are just trying to figure it out. We're all in that same boat. Don't get sucked into that unrealistic narrative that there are people who have it all figured out. They don't, I don't, and you don't. That's okay. But even just trying to figure it out is enough. You are enough in the form you are in right now. In case no one has told you lately, I'm proud of you. You're doing the damn thing, whatever it is. I think you should be proud of yourself too. It's okay if you don't know how. Start with recognizing the good in your day. Recognize the good you yourself put into your day. And also recognize the good you may have put into someone else's day. Watch how quickly your life changes. Your mindset, everything will shift. I want you to know it's not narcissistic to be proud of yourself or give yourself a pat on the back from time to time. Existing is hard. Life is hard, but accepting how life is the first step. Acknowledging your daily efforts to keep up with this life is the second. I'm proud of you. Keep going. 2021 is around the corner and there will be good and bad in that year too. But let's try to focus solely on the good. Let's try to be kinder to ourselves. Let's try to be more proud of ourselves and become more self-aware of our efforts. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. It's true. How about, instead of looking in the mirror and shaming yourself for all the things you didn't do, congratulate yourself for all the things you did do. I bet thousands that suddenly you will start to see yourself in a different light. That's how you become the light. It all starts from within. Be proud of yourself. You deserve it. And that's how you make a Starbucks Caramel Macchiato.